to find out the total value of the pentagon. If we rearrange the pentagon, we have a rectangle and two triangles respectively. First of all, the rectangle, right? The base is 8 meter and the height is 4 meter. And the area of the rectangle is length times the width. So length is 8 meter and of course the width is 4 meter. Indeed, the total area of the rectangle will be 32. Now, let's go for this black triangle. This base of this black triangle is 8. Why? Because this line of the rectangle is 8 and which is equal and parallel. That's why this is 8. And the total red line is 10 meter was given in the question. So for the rectangle, I mean up to this length is 4 meter. So 10 minus 4 is 6 meter. The black highlighted line will be 6. And this black triangle is a right angle triangle because this is 90 degree. As a result, we can use the equation for the area of the triangle, half base times the height square. So let's plug in the value and we'll get the area is 32 meters square. And the base of this triangle is 8 meter and height is 6 meter. Indeed, the hypotenuse will be base square plus the height square. So the hypotenuse value will be 10 meter. And this 10 meter will be the side of the last triangle. If we find the area of this triangle and added up all these sides, so we could get the total area of the pentagon. Anyways, now highlight this triangle and let's separate this one. So this is the triangle, right? And of course, this value is 10 and this value is 10 as well. So this is actually the equilateral triangle and this is the height. And this height actually split it into two equal triangle and this height will be the same height for the both triangles. And the total base of the total area of the triangle is 4 meter. As we splitted this triangle, so each of the triangle base is 2 meter each, and of course the height is h, and height will be the common height for both the triangles. Now calculate the height of the triangle. As we know, the base is 2 meter and the hypotenuse of the triangle is 10. So 10 square minus 2 square equal to square root of 96. So we have got the height of the triangle, and obviously again I'm saying this height is the common height for this both triangles and base is 2 meter each. Now the area of each triangle is half base time height. So half base is 2 and height is square root of 96. So the calculative value will be 9.798. So if we multiply with this area times 2, so we'll get the total area of this triangle. So the total area of the triangle will be 19.597 meters square. So if we added up all the areas 32, 24 and this will be actually 20, actually we got the value is 19.5. We just taken as the approximation value as 20. So if we sum up this value, so we'll get the final result 96 meters square. Thank you so much. Please watch and share my video among your friends and family. Stay tuned with School of NextGen.